Prabhuji, finally, what would be your final words or some kind of a message for our viewers, especially the young ones who might take some, would need something, some kind of a message that would help them manage their lives better? Not that we are anyone to tell them how to manage their lives, but also maybe steer them towards more Adhyatmic way of
Well, I would say when we do not have spiritual substance in our hearts, we remain slaves of our surroundings. That's my message to the youths. When we do not have spiritual substance in the heart, we remain slaves of our surroundings, circumstances, people. We remain their slaves because I don't have spiritual substance. So I request everyone to please do have spiritual substance by following the path of Bhakti. Now, there are, in terms of spirituality, people talk about godless spirituality as well, godless meditation. I don't vouch for it because it is very hollow and shallow. It gives some temporary relief only. Only God conscious, to be specific, being Krishna conscious or Krishna centric meditation and his name. When we do that, we get genuine spiritual substance. Then we can have long lasting, everlasting peace, everlasting happiness. Not just happiness, you will be euphoric, you will be in ecstasy. So the goal of life, my dear youngsters, is to have mad, intense, selfless, deep, maddening love for God. That's the purpose of human form of life. If you are not fulfilling that, you'll be frustrated. So go for it. Aspire for it. You know, this profession and all, khana pina, ye zaruri hai. Career is zaruri. Zaruri hai. But ultimate purpose ye nahi hai. हमने देखा है लोग ने झंडे गाड़े हुए हैं, हम झंडे गाड़ के दिखाएंगे. I heard a motivational speaker, झंडे गाड़ दिखाओ. झंडे गाड़े बाद करते क्या है लोग? उसी झंडे के नीचे बैठ के दारू पी रहे होते हैं. क्या है ये? पहले देसी दारू पीते थे, आज विदेशी दारू पीते हैं. So basically, success की definition क्या है? Making a transition from desi daru to videshi daru is success. Wow. Please don't follow this.
Indian car to foreign car.
Yeah. So please have this divine, ecstatic, selfless, intense, maddening love for Supreme Lord Shri Krishna. And that's the purpose of this human form of life which we have got, especially being in India. So I would request, please, all Indians take to spirituality very, very seriously, because we are the torch bearers of spirituality, Bhakti. If we will not do, who will do? Now in Rishikesh, foreigners are not coming. You know why? 90% now they do not come. Only 10% people are coming from West. Why? Because they see that Indians are not following their own culture of spirituality and Bhakti. That's why they're not so much.
They lost it.
Yeah. So let's get back to our original culture of devotion to God. When you do that, chanting his names, these Westerners would come. They would also be benefited. I like how Srila Prabhupada, when he went to West, he influenced the Westerners to chant and sing the holy name. He did that because he is so deeply convinced. So convinced people convince people. Convinced people convince people. So my dear Indian brothers and sisters, please get convinced about spirituality, path of Bhakti, and then you can convince the rest of the world. So politically we are leaders, spiritually also we should be leaders.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.